today we're gonna be speed running the tower, and the time is already going down, so we gotta go.
Oh, frick! I didn't actually see that. Okay, yeah, he kind of did the intro for me. I don't even think I. How are you doing that?
Oh my, it's hard. It's possible. Oh
It's
my God,
invisible.
Bro, my hand got stuck. Okay, come on.
No. How are you doing that?
My hand. My hand.
I kind of have to
My
go
hand,
on
bro,
you
I
if that's
keep
possible.
stuck. Oh my God, my hand.
Ah! Oh wait, I actually made it. No!
Bro, this is so
Frick.
hard.
It's actually hard because
so
you have an
freaking
easier
hard.
way. Because you're using mods.
How am I using mods?
Because there's nothing there. You're going in thin air. How?
No, I fell. Bro, I stuck.
I'm gonna have to. Yo. Ooh. Oh. Okay. How am I?
It's just randomly chosen. It's randomly chosen.
No!
It's randomly chosen. So you have a different one than me.
Yeah, I kind of can see that. I'm going to rage quit. And as soon as I rage quit, you guys are gonna see the true side of me. Ah!
Come on. No!
Come on.
Bro!
Come on. No! Come on, make it.
This is so freaking hard. Oh, bro. Oh my God, this is so hard.
Well, this is gonna take forever.
No, bro. Oh my God. I think I figured out the trick.
No!
Need to get close.
Man, I'm literally going to kill myself.
No,
I can't do it.
no, it's so hard. It's so freaking hard to climb these stupid bookshelves.
Yeah, you
Oh my
be.
God, I can't
You
even
be
pin
saying.
climb it, bro. Bro, my hand.
Ah, let's just wait right here. No!
Oh my God.
Ah! In my hand. I got the owie.
Bro,
Okay.
my hand keeps getting
Ah!
stuck, bro.
Oh! I'm dead. Try to stay calm. Try to. Ah!
No, I can't get up, bro. Yes.
Let me do this.
Holy
I am him. Oh fuck!
bro. Oh my God.
I found an
How could you
OPV. Wait. No!
That was literally like the only thing you could jump.
Yeah. Ah! No, not today. Not today. I am him. I am him. Told you I am him.
Oh my God.
No.
No. No.
No.
Oh, I stuck.
Okay.
Oh my God, how come I'm hitting something there? That's that I get stuck.
Oh. No!
Did you fall all the way down?
Yes! I didn't actually. That took me so long to figure out. I actually suck at this game. I actually regret downloading Elliot's game. I thought Elliot was a good content creator for a second. And a good game developer,
How
but
did you
clearly
make
not.
that jump? How the frick do you make it from here to there?
There's something right here. You made me miss it!
There's a giant Jamie Curly rain.
Yeah. Come on. I'm very good at that.
Oh my god, this is so freaking confusing.
And you be saying,
No! No! Bro, what the frick?
no! Frick my bed! Man, soon I'm gonna be... Yeah, by the way, if you don't subscribe, I'm going to find your IP.
Hard. Bro, Elliot, why did you make this so freaking hard?
I don't know why he made it so hard, actually.
Holy moly.
That's what she said.
Well, I think I